So now, so what is my problem? My problem is I have extra 2 here. So eliminate 2, divide by 2, divide by 2. So negative 20 over 3 divided by 2, it will be negative 20 over 6. Correct or not?
Yes.
Less than 2 minus x, less than negative 9 over 2, negative 9 over 4. Till here, question?
No.
No.
Multiply by negative 1. When you multiply any inequality change direction. So this less will be greater, this less will be greater. Negative 1 times negative 20 over 6 will be positive 20 over 6. Negative 1 times negative 9 over 4, it will be positive 9 over 4. And negative 1 times 2 minus x, negative 2 plus x, which means x minus 2, which means my question. So it says that one of the possible values of this, just one of them, tell me one number. So I'm saying that 20 over 6, approximately when you divide 20 by 6, what will be? Approximately it will be 3 point, let's say 3. And when you divide 9 by 4, it will be approximately 2.3. Is it correct? What do you think?
Yes.
So if on the number line, this is 2.3, if this is 3.3, and x minus 2, which is my question, is between them. So tell me one of the possible values of x minus 2. Tell me one number between 2.3 and 3.3. There are lots of numbers. Just one of them is 3. Or 2.5 or 2.6. I mean, that's it. One of them, one of the results. Okay. Now we can talk even 15. Yeah, this question type. I think it's important question type. What can we say about this? A is less than B. Which of the following must be true?
All of them.
Let's think. For example, 1 is less than 2, right?
Yeah.
1 square is less than 2 square. But if we have negative 2 is less than negative 1, right? Negative 2 square is less than negative 1 square? No. So this is wrong. Have you seen? Yes or no? 1 cannot be solution. Have you seen or not?
Mr. Y, and it's positive either way.
Which one is positive?
I mean, minus 2 squared, 4 less than 1. Oh,
Or is
okay.
less than 1? Is it correct?
No, it isn't.
So that means 1 cannot be solution. So 1 cannot be solution. 1 cannot be solution. What can I understand? Only 2, 2 and 3. That means 2 is solution. It's clear. And it's so simple. Why? 2a is less than 2b means divide by 2, divide by 2, a is less than b. And 2 must be in the solution. We sure? This is yes. But what about third one? Let's check it. Negative b less than negative a. If you multiply by negative 1, if you multiply negative 1 times negative b, since I multiply by negative, direction we change. Negative 1, negative b, positive b greater than positive a. B is greater than a. Check it. B is greater than a. That means this is correct. Third must be in the solution. So the answer is C. Anything to ask me?
It's confusing what I got.
Okay, one more time. One more time.
Sir, can you re-explain how a squared is less than?
I will explain again and again. My dears.
No. Okay. Okay.
Now, A is less than B given. Okay? When I say A squared is less than B squared, it's correct if I have positive numbers.
Yes, yes.
But if I have negative numbers, For example, -4 less than -1. I know that's correct. So this is A, this is B. So when you take A squared, what will be? -4 squared, which is 16. When you take B squared,
1.
-1 squared, which is 1. So can you say that now A squared, which is 16, is less than B squared, which is 1? I mean, 16 is less than 1. Can you say?
No, sir.
No.
For that
Yeah,
reason,
but
the
how do you
answer
know that
cannot be
it's
1.
minus?
False.
Sir, how do you
Because
know that?
A must be true.
Shouldn't it be
Must
like
means no excuse. Must means no excuse. If it says may be true, yes. But must, no. All the cases we have to think.
okay.
Okay. So I have
Must.
to take all.
This is the case. Tamam?
So, sir, we have to take like minus and plus for each of them.
Yes. Even 0. You may think, but no need here 0, so I pass it.
Sir, like for this one example, like if 2a is like positive 4 and b is negative 4, so again this will be problem.
Let's check. -4 less than +4. 16 is less than 16. Yes, this is wrong also. You are right.
Okay.
But one example is enough to say it is not correct. So B is correct. 2A is less than 2B. Easy. So by 2, A is less than B.
So the
Now
answer-
let's talk about last part. -B is less than -A. So if I multiply this, by -1. So -1 times -B, -1 times -A. Since I have multiplied by negative, inequality must change. Do we agree for this?
Yes.
Yes.
So
Yes.
positive B is greater than A. What does it mean? It means A is less than B. Is it correct?
Yes.
When you check the given, at the beginning it says that A is less than B. So it's okay. False, true, true. So the answer is, what is the answer then? C.
Mister, can you go down a little bit?
Let's go.
Okay, thank you.
I can send as a photo also this, okay. Now, word problems, we may directly start, but some question I pass. So let's talk about this question. For example, this one. Or if you say that teacher, it's enough, let's go to word problems. Question number 15. Can you try this by yourself and tell me answer?
Can you check the chat box?
Keyword, my dear students, keyword, at least 300. What does it mean? Something must be greater than or equal to 300, first of all. Okay? But it says rectangular, keyword. It says area, keyword. So what is the area of the rectangle? If this is X unit, if this is the Y unit, what is the area? X times Y. So XY must be greater than or equal to 300. So wrong. Wrong. This could be, this could be. Okay? Now, let me read. Perimeter at least 70. Be careful. What is perimeter means? 2 times X plus Y. This is perimeter. At least, so 2 times X plus Y, at least. At least means minimum. So divide by 2. So the answer is D.
D. Okay.
Okay. Let's talk about 14 then. 12, sorry. Okay, let's solve the question together. Let's solve it together. Tina works no more than 30. Be careful. No more than 30. What does it mean?
At most.
Yes, it means 1, 2, 3, 4, even
Less
0.
than. Less than 30.
0 to 30, it's acceptable, but 31, no. So when I check it, less than or equal to 30, it must be. But every case, less than or equal to 30, this is, so I cannot eliminate anything. So I have to work, I have to keep reading the sentences. She can do a manicure in 20 minutes and pedicure 30 minutes. So when I check the alternatives, MP, 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 so let me say manicure, let's say M, directly let me write manicure for M, pedicure for P. So it says that manicure is 20 minutes and pedicure is 30 minutes. So be careful now. How can I write this?
We can divide by 10. Also.
First of all, this is minute, right? But when I talk about here, hours, if 30 is hours, everything must be in terms of hours. So I have to convert this. How can I convert 20 minutes in terms of hours? Isn't it 20 over 60 and 30 over 60? What do you think? This is not hour. Correct or not? Understand?
Yes.
Yes.
So 20 over 60 is
So,
1
yes.
over 3 manicure hours, and pedicure is 1 over 2. It means that how far? Okay, do I have any case? M
C,
over
Mr.
3,
Or
P over
V.
2.
Oh, C
Yes,
and D.
it is here.
It's
This is
C.
okay. Do I have anything else? It is
Yes,
here.
D.
But it says 900, so it's not. 1 minute. 1 minute. It says 300. Yeah, that's correct. Do I
Yes.
have anything? So this is not. This is not. So what about C or D? Actually, 900. Should we do 900? Yeah.
No.
Right, the answer is C, finished. But I can read, keep reading to check myself. But normally finished. So let me check it. Each manicure earns 25. So M over 3 times 25. No, not M over 3. M over 3 was how many hours? So each manicure was M. So if I spend 25 or if I earn whatever, each 25, it means 25 times M, which is here. Good. And each pedicure 40, so 40p. So I am 100% sure now this is C. At least 900, which means greater than or equal to 900. Okay? Good. Do I have anything like that? Yes, what about this question? Now you try it. Take your pen, pencil, notebook, whatever.
So we should solve question 10 or 9?
Sorry, 9.
Okay. And we can control. Okay.
I got it.
So I didn't understand this 140.
Let's say, where is it? Let me look. B produce 140 cartons.
No, like in the answer when we use in C, for example, why 140 times 10?
Let me tell you. How many hours? Be careful now. It contracts out X hours to company A, X hours.
Okay.
But how many hours totally? Look.
10 hours.
10 hours. X could be 2, for example. So for B, how many hours left? 8. If
Okay.
A works for 6 hours, B must work 4, since totally 10. So if this is x, the other must be 10 minus x.